Welcome to Hanten CNC, where laser innovation meets industrial technology. I'm Adam, and today you're getting an exclusive access to Hanten CNC's Laser Technology Forge in Jinan, China, the Valley of Laser Innovation and Manufacturing. Since 2018, we've redefined laser technology boundaries from this innovation hub. Our wall of honors isn't just for decorations. Patents, CE, FDA, and ISO certificates, and strategic alliances with pioneers like JBT form our DNA of precision. The Koala marking system conquest of 38% of Korean market share, generating over $2.8 million in single product revenue, and it was merely our opening act. In 2022, Hanten CNC made its debut in the global market, and since then, we've successfully delivered our first 6-head automated cleaning system to the Netherlands. And then our 500-volt air-cooled pulsed laser cleaner was successfully delivered in Germany, ushering in the high-power era of laser technology. Our laser systems power fulfill life. Hanten's CNC's industrial technology spans over 23 industrial sectors and 17 consumer verticals. Feel the revolution. This 500-volt air-cooled pulse laser erases oxidation 60% faster than sandblasting, yet gentle enough for Renaissance artworks. The pulsed cleaning machine can clean tiny states, oxidation layers, and oil films on precise parts and molds. From aerospace titanium alloys to Renaissance art restoration, our machines and cleaners can perform microscopic miracles at 15 cubic meters per hour. The continuous laser cleaning equipment provides a laser output power ranging from 1200 volt to 6000 volt. Maximum cleaning width of a single pendulum cleaning head is 300 mm, and that of a double pendulum cleaning head is 650 mm. It can effectively remove rust and paint layers on large-scale steel equipment, improving the cleaning efficiency and meeting the dual demands for cleaning quality and efficiency in the heavy industry field. Precision is our dialect. As a powerful tool for medium and thin plate processing, Hanten's CNC's 4-in-1 handheld laser metal welding machine integrates welding, cleaning, cutting, and weld seam cleaning functions into one machine. Features high stability and precise welding performance, enabling high-quality welding of various materials. The battery laser welding machine delivers 0.2 mm repeatability, the key behind EV battery joints outlasting vehicle lifetimes. Step in Hanten Atelier, where industrial technology becomes artistic medium. Your search for the ultimate marking solution ends here. Whether it's etching aerospace-grade aluminum or personalizing Portuguese corks, our systems deliver museum-quality permanence across metals, stones, hardwoods, polymers, and textiles. From mission-critical traceability codes to intricate arabesques, we achieve 0.1 millimeters micro-engraving fidelity and 3-dimensional bas-reliefs that defy the traditional manufacturing limits. We don't just engrave materials, we immortalize legacies. We specialize in engineering bespoke industrial solutions tailored to unique client needs. Our dedicated technical experts manage the project full life cycle, from conceptual design to production execution, guaranteeing our clients precision and compliance with their needs. After-sales excellence is at the core of our promise to you. Our dedicated support team is ready 24/7 to ensure your needs are met. Whether it's equipment maintenance, operational training, or technical guidance, we resolve on ourselves and we take pride to ensure and resolve challenges swiftly and effectively to let you focus on what matters, your business. If you choose Hanten Laser, you choose confidence in every interaction. From our roots in Jinan, China to global markets, Hanten is leading the charge in laser technology innovation. Looking ahead, we're expanding our global footprint with new service centers and staying laser focused on advancement industry. Guided by our commitment to expertise and precision, we are developing sleeker and more intuitive equipment, making the power of laser technology accessible to creators, manufacturers, and innovators.